What's up everybody? Welcome to Bonsai and Haag. Today I'm going to give you an update on this Juniper pastrani that I did this styling already 2 years ago. So the tree recovered a lot. I will post a picture here how it was before. And if you haven't seen the first video, I'll put also the link here to see the first transformation of this tree. So the first thing I will do here is to see how the tree has grown and where can I start with the detail wiring. As you can see, everything is growing really hard. Yes, here you can see the whole tree is quite big. And I will want to keep it this size because of the size of the foliage. I want to keep the scale like this. And what I already did a little bit together with the student, shout out to Vera. She helped me with making some extra deadwood over here on this part. And also on the part over here. Then I will connect these two together. Here is already inactive, this part. And then we have a nice extra feature of the tree. So with this tree, the Cascade style, I'm gonna start from the bottom branch and then I'm gonna work my way up. So I'm gonna start by wiring everything that's here, making the first pad, and then here. I still have some structural wire from the last time. Didn't buy tin yet here. So it's still here, so I don't need to remove it. And then when I'm finished here, I'm gonna work every branch all to the finish at the apex. So now I finished wiring the first few branches, and as you can see, compared to the previous styling, I have a lot more foliage and I have more like a pad formation like here, and I'm already starting with the secondary branches, creating this nice branch, and the rhythm is more mature as we go up to the tree. And I now can also remove some branches that in the first styling I kept as extra. And now this one became an extra gin, and now here I will have to pull this up to fill the void over there. Now I will continue the time lapse and show the tree completely wired.
Dusk till dawn, I turn my speakers on. Why they wanna play with the king? I told them meet LeBron. There's darkness in my city, wrong moves and you won't see the sun. They be talking loud but never been where the creatures hunt and bleed for this dream. So why your eyes closed but running through the pain? Look at me and now my strides go. Every single scar on my skin.
So I just finished wiring the whole tree, and as you can see, in the time lapse I removed also this branch, big branch that was over here, because I already have enough depth and this branch was not coming from a nice position here, and I did the whole styling. It's difficult to see in the picture how it turned out, but the tree is already maturing a lot, and this is the only branch that I didn't need it anymore. And now we can let the tree recover, and then next year in spring I will repot it in a nice pot, make the dead wood nice, and let's see how this tree will turn out. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.
Dusk till dawn, I turn my speakers on. Why they wanna play with the king? I told them meet LeBron. There's darkness in my city, wrong moves and you won't see the sun. They be talking loud but never been where the creatures hunt and bleed for this dream. So why your eyes closed but running through the pain? Look at me and now my strides go. Every single scar on my skin, another milestone. Battles in the dark came out shining with the lights.